Hey everyone, in this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of uploading a header photo on X, Twitter, using your PC. Customizing your profile with a header photo can make your profile stand out. Let's get started with the steps to upload a header photo. Step 1. Go to your profile on X, Twitter, by clicking on your profile picture or username. Step 2. Look for the Edit Profile button on your profile page and click on it to access the editing options. Step 3. Locate the camera icon associated with the header photo and click on it to upload a new image. Step 4. After clicking on the camera icon, choose the option to Upload Photo to select the header image you want to use. Step 5. Once you've uploaded the new header photo, make sure to click or tap on the Save button to apply the changes to your profile. Fantastic! You've successfully uploaded a header photo on X, Twitter, using your PC. Your profile will now showcase your chosen header image. Enjoy personalizing your profile to reflect your style and interests. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing for more social media tips. Thank you for watching.